In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what hosting is and what a domain is, and how they interact in order to give you your website. So there's two main questions that I get around this topic, and the first is, do you need both? And the answer is yes, you do. You can't have a website without a domain, and you can't have a website without hosting. The second question is can I pay for it once and be done, or do I have to pay for it on a recurring basis? And the answer is you do need to pay for it on a recurring basis. And if you watch this video until the end, you'll understand why that is a little bit better. So the best way that I've found to explain the concept of this is through the analogy of a house and a street address. So the reason for this is because it interacts essentially the same way. So your street address is a way of telling someone where it's located, and your house is obviously what's there when they get there. And hosting and a domain work in the same way. So a domain is, another word for it is a web address. So the analogy kind of makes a bit more sense. The domain is literally just telling everyone, so the browser and when you search it, where to find your hosting. And your hosting is what's built there. So when you purchase hosting, you're renting space on a computer that's sitting in a big server farm. So this can be located anywhere in the world, depending on who you purchase your hosting through. It's all the same. It's a computer sitting there that's running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Whenever anyone visits the location, e.g. follows a domain to your hosting, they're going to see it. And that's kind of the reason why you need to pay ongoing. So these servers are maintained, they have power going to them, they have security, they have cooling, all of these things to maintain this computer running at all times. So you rent this space on a server, and then you can put any files you want on there and you build your house or your website. And that's what a developer will do for you, or that's what you'll do when you install, say, WordPress as a framework. This all goes onto the hosting and is stored on that computer. So hopefully that's cleared it up a little bit. If you like this information and you'd like to know more about these topics, just subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.